Alright, let's see if we can put some meaning to interpreting algebraic expressions. Alright, so I'm going to go down here. There is one to read up here, but I'm going to talk about this. Alright, it says, Jill is buying inkjet paper. So now she's buying inkjet paper and laserjet paper for her business. She buys 8 more packages of inkjet paper. And I can come down here, and I bet you right there, that means 8 more right there. So that right there is laserjet, and that's inkjet because there's 8 more inkjet packages than there are laserjet. Alright. The inkjet costs $6.95, so that's how much he paid for inkjet. Alright. And the laserjet costs 8, so that's how much he paid for 8. There we go. It's kind of easy to see. Interpret the meaning of 8p. What does the coefficient 8 represent? Well, that's the cost of p paper. Right? P is just a number. It could be 2 papers, 3 papers, 4 papers. What does 8p represent? Alright. Cost of, well, what's 8p? So, all laser jet paper. All of it. However much she puts in. Alright. The coefficient represents, alright, number of, oh, the coefficient represents, the coefficient is cost, which they have right there, $8. Alright, that's the number in front. Interpret the meaning of this. So here we go. Ready? $6.95 is cost of, hey buddy, laserjet. Can you have what? What's your question? Go ahead and make a YouTube video, but you better not get more views than me. Alright, buddy. Alright, and that's the cost of laserjet, and 8 plus b is this amount. Alright, amount of laserjet paper. That's it. So she pays, look, she pays $8 every time she gets this paper. She pays $6.95 every time she gets this paper, and she gets 8 more of this type than this type. And that is what that means. Now, there's a couple more questions over here, right up top. This is the total cost, right? That one right there is the total cost, and we should write that. So that's the total cost of the inkjet. So total cost of inkjet, right? And $6.95 represents the cost of one paper, whatever that is, one package of paper, and 8 plus 8 represents the number of inkjet paper, reams, I guess, papers. Alright. And all of this together, alright, all of this, I'm just going to break it up. 8p is the cost, well, we'll say this. It's the total cost of all the paper is what it all is. Total cost of all papers. Alright. I'm going to talk through this one, but I'm not going to write it. Alright. So if you look, it says George is buying watermelons and pineapples to make fruit salad. He buys W watermelons at $4.49 each. He buys P watermelons at $5 each. So this total cost of all watermelons, I'm just going to write that, 4.49 W, and 5p, total cost of all pineapples. Alright, there it is. Do the last one. And we're going to come back and compare some algebraic expressions right here, and then we'll go on from there.